Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got China Glaze, When Stars Collide, and Cheeky Jumbo Plate 8, Princess Charming. I have started this one off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here we go with our first coat of China Glaze, When Stars Collide. It's a beautiful plum holographic. It's not an in-your-face hollow like some of the indie polishes, but for mainstream, pretty nice. So there we go. We're going to go ahead and add a second coat to this one. Maybe could have gotten away with one coat, but y'all know I don't normally play that. Occasionally I will, but not often. I am going to top it with INM out the door. Gonna get this one to dry down so we can do some stamping. Had to get some more of that top coat on my brush. There we go. See how pretty? I'll be using Cheeky Princess Charming. This is Jumbo Plate 8. And it is a jumbo plate. I'll be using Color Alike, and this is Be a Red Wine. I'll also be using my Monocle stamper from Maniology and a Maniology scraper today. I am going to use a couple of images on this plate. Hi Cotton, how you doing? Come jingling in here. And so this one I'm going to put on my ring fingernail. It's going to be like my accent image. It didn't show up real good on camera right here, but you'll see later that it does look pretty good. I'm going to clean that plate off with some pure acetone. And I did clean that stamper off on a lint roller. I'm going to hop in with a piece of tape real quick and get this off of my skin. Getting all crazy with it. Alright. And here's my little cleanup brush with some acetone. Get some of that cleaned up. A lot of times when you stamp like this and it doesn't look like you see it very well, sometimes when you add the top coat, it makes it pop. So that's what we're hoping for today. And this is the other image that caught my eye on this plate. These floral like images are catching my eye here lately. So I've decided I'm going to use that one on the rest of my nails. Scrape it and roll it to pick it up and plop that image on the nail. Alright, we got one more to do. I did my thumbnail the same as my ring fingernail, by the way. Sometimes that's just how we do it. And then that little pinky nail. I am going to hop in with that piece of tape again and get some more of this off of my skin so that we can, clean up here. I am going to use my acetone, and this does have the acetone additive in it. It helps keep your cuticles from getting all dried out, getting all up under there, around all the nooks and crannies. Pretty easy cleanup though. I am going to top it with the Maniology smudge-free top coat. See, even just adding that makes the image pop better. And once that's dry, I'll be topping everything off with some Poshe top coat. I just love the top coat part. Kept my free edge there. So here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.